everyone, welcome to the Sharp Painting channel. Today we want to draw the giraffe and butterfly and tell his story. Sharp Painting. Once upon a time, different animals lived in beautiful forest. A family of rabbits, a family of bears, the family of lions, and finally all the animals. And of course, the family of Mr. and Mrs. Giraffe and the little giraffe. The little giraffe had many friends. One day he was playing with his friends in the forest. He saw a small creature flying. This very beautiful little giraffe sat up and watched her. The little giraffe didn't know what animals he was, so she asked her, "Who are you? What is your name? You're so beautiful." The little animal said, "My name is Butterfly. I am an insect. My food is nectar of flowers." The little giraffe liked this cute little creature so much that he wanted to be like her. He thinks that if he becomes like a butterfly, he can be friends with her and they can play together among the flowers. That's why he went home, sitting between the trees, and he started to make wings for himself with trees leaves. Two beautiful wings. He made two tentacles for himself from dried branches. He put them all on to go to Butterfly. Suddenly his mother saw him, told her, "What are these that you're attached to yourself?" Said the little giraffe, "I want to be like a butterfly, so that I can be friends with the little butterfly." His mother laughed and said, "But you cannot fly with these." The little giraffe was upset and said, "Oh, I can't fly. If I can't fly, the little butterfly won't be friends with me." His mother laughed and said, "Who told you this? You don't have to be like him to be friends with the little butterfly. You are a giraffe. You have a long neck, and instead of flying, you know how to run. She also has two wings instead of a long neck and can fly. You can be friends when the little butterfly flies. You can run and play together." The little giraffe was happy and went to find the little butterfly. The little giraffe found the butterfly. They played together for hours. It was getting dark and the little giraffe returned home. Today our story is over. Are you interested in butterflies? Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the Sharp Painting channel and activate the bell so you don't miss our beautiful paintings and stories. So today's painting is finished. Until the next painting, bye bye.